This beautiful dresser has been sitting in my garage for a long time. I've been debating whether to to paint it or to leave it as it is and figure out a way to fix this, because this wood detail is so pretty. I can't get myself to paint this dresser really, but I have some missing veneer on top of the dresser and also some water damage on top and the sides of the dresser too, a lot of scratches. So well, I just have to, oh Lord, it was hard for me to paint this dresser really. The wood patterns are so pretty, as you can see. So the best way to fix this missing veneers and the scratches was to just take a bundle with wood filler and just fill those missing veneer and scratches, fill it up and sand it down and paint this dresser. As you can see me, I'm just missing my words because it was really hard for me to paint this dresser. This dresser looks so beautiful. I wish I could have fixed it without painting it, but what can I do? I just have to make it look pretty again. So before I go any further, just talking about me feeling bad painting this dresser, let me start by saying hello my friends, hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dixie. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for stopping by this week to watch this amazing project that I'm working on. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. This is your girl Dixie. In this channel, we are just here to have fun. Yes, to have fun. Just me sharing with you all the projects I have going on in my home. Gardening, furniture makeover, DIY furniture making, cooking, and much more. So if this is something you like watching or doing, or you just need an inspiration to start a new project, this is the place to be. And I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so when I post a new video, you will be notified. And help me share this video with your family and friends. Like I said on my last video, it is my birthday month. It's actually going to be my birthday tomorrow. Today is Sunday, it's the 27th. Tomorrow that's going to be my birthday. And I still want to reach my birthday goals, which is get 1,000 subscribers on my birthday. I'm still hopeful that I'll get there. So I just want you guys to help me. Just keep sharing my videos and just tell your friends to come over and subscribe on my channel. Just help me reach my birthday goal. It will mean a lot to me. Once again, thank you so much for being here with me. Now let's move on to the project. I've cleaned this dresser off camera, and as you can see previously in the video, I've covered the missing veneer and the scratches with Bondo wood filler. So I sand it down, and then now I'm applying this shellac base primer, bean primer shellac base. I'll be applying 2 coats, and I'll sand in between each coat, and I'll let it completely dry. I'm gonna move it indoor because I started late to do this project and it's getting cold. We're still in the winter month. It was really nice outside today, so I just started this I just wanted to start the project outdoor because the primer, the scent is really strong, so I don't want to prime this dresser indoors. So I took it outside, just take advantage of the nice weather, prime it, and then I'll let it, like I said, let it completely dry and move it indoors and start with my painting. So the paint color I chose for this dresser is ink black, Behr chalk paint. So I'm going with the darker color again because the darker colors sell really well in my area. That's why I love doing it. So what I'm doing with this dresser, I'm just gonna be painting the sides of the dresser, and the drawers, like I said previously, they still look good. They're really good. So I'm gonna leave them alone. I really love the wood color on that dresser. The wood, I love the wood tone and paint combined together. So I'm just painting the handles which are built in the drawers. So that's all I'm gonna paint on the drawers, just to give it that two-tone, beautiful two-tone color. I just love this combination of paint and stain on the furniture. Just expose that wood grain or the wood tone on the furniture. I just love that. So that's what I'm going for, and it sells really well in my area. So that's what I'm doing right now. You will see the result in the later on in the video and see exactly what I'm talking about. It's if you don't understand what I mean. I'm finding it difficult to explain myself, guys, but maybe you understand what I'm saying. Maybe I'm talking too much or whatever, but this is what it is. It's just, I'm just loving this right now. I am really loving this paint color. As you can see, I love these darker colors, especially this ink black. It is so beautiful. It's not black per se. You can say it's a blue mixed with black. So it's a really rich and nice color. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of paint on this furniture before I seal it with the water-based polyurethane. I'll be sanding in between each coat. I'm going to let the first coat completely dry and lightly sand it down just to take out all those roughness or whatever that stick on the paint, just to remove it so I can paint it again, just get that smooth surface. Just lightly sanding down your first coat help you to get a smooth surface on your piece of furniture that you're working on. It is an important step that you don't want to miss. So always let your furniture completely dry and sand it down before you apply another coat of paint. If you're doing 2 coats, sand it down in between each coat. If you're doing 3 coats, sand down in between each coat, because this is going to give you a smooth surface. It is very important. So this is what the furniture is looking like after applying 2 coats of paint. I've lightly sanded it down. The next step is to apply my water-based polyurethane. I'll be applying 2 coats of water-based polyurethane, and I'll be sanding in between each coat. Like I said earlier, sanding in between each coat help you to remove all that roughness on top of the furniture, so you can get a smooth surface. So you're gonna have to do that when you apply your polyurethane, and the polyurethane helps to seal the paint. If you're working with chalk paint, you really need to seal it so your paint job will last longer. So you can either use a water-based polyurethane or wax to wax it and give it that little bit of shiny look. So like I was saying, the drawers, I'm just gonna be painting the handles which are built in. So I prime it first. As you can see, that's what I did. So now I'm gonna be painting it the same paint color that I used for the sides of the dresser. And I'll be applying 2 coats of paint too and sanding in between each coat just to give it that smooth surface. Same thing that I did on the dresser. So the paint job is ready. I let it completely dry. I think I let it completely to dry over a day or 2 before I remove this the tape. As you can see, it's hard to remove this tape. I should have taken the tape out, and I have some primer that's exposed on the side of the drawer. So I'll be sanding this down and paint it again. Use my small brush and paint that again just to give it a nice look. See, I've already sanded this side, sand it down. So I'll be coming back again and paint it. Sand the drawers and the side of the dresser to remove the top coat so I can stain it again with this beautiful provincial stain color that I got from Home Depot. I'll put the link down below. It's this beautiful stain color. That's what I'm gonna use to stain the sides of the the dresser and the drawers again, just to give it that look. This is what I was talking about, the wood and the paint color combination. So the drawers are painted and ready. The handles are painted and ready. I'm just gonna pull the tape and then stain the drawers, and I'm done. But before I show you what the dresser is looking like right now, let's remind ourselves what the dresser looked like before. Here it is. It still looks beautiful despite the scratches and everything, but the job make it look more beautiful, guys. Look at what the dresser is looking like now. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at the wood color and the paint. It made this dresser really look beautiful. This dresser can be put in any room, a hallway or living room. It's just gonna stand out and complement any decor that you have going on in your house. It is so beautiful. Well, thank you so much for stopping by this week to watch this amazing project that I'm working on. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. I hope to see you guys on my next video. This is your girl Jixie saying bye till next time.